Alright, so my name is Art. I'm the one with this current swap here. Two JZ GT into a 2000 Lexus GS300.
Now turn up.
You taking a video?
Yeah.
Look at this.
So day two of taking
Yeah.
on the process of taking the motor out. Got stuck on the exhaust last night. Rusted. I might end up cutting it off, but so far I took off the air box, all the stuff for the air filter, piping, so I can get the exhaust bolts. Later on, we'll have that penetrating oil soak in, and motor mount. I sprayed that as well. I think next is taking off the radio support to get the engine out nice and smoothly. I would leave it on, but I'm taking extra precaution because I heard like the chance of it might dropping or not clearing. I don't want like to dent because I just bought this radiator and I just put it in. I don't want to damage that. Let's what we do now is drain the radiator into this bucket because I just bought this and it still should be good. So I want to save every bit of it. So in order to do that, you gotta open this bleeder right here. Ugh. Move this a little further up. I'm gonna use a bigger pan. One generator. Have the I already took off without putting that right there. Make sure to also take your cap off first. Makes it a way better flow. So now I'm just gonna take off the radiator hoses. One and up top, crap. Up top as well. Alright, so I took off the bottom radiator hose. Now I'm gonna take off the top. Now waiting for it to drain a little more. I should tilt this back some, so I'll take off these bolts first. Oh. Take off these bolts to allow your radiator to like lean back a little bit so it can drain every last bit of fluid out. Take this off. These are all 13s. Whoa, just these two are 13s. Oh, nope. All right. Got the radiator out the way and drained. I'm starting to loosen these exhaust manifold bolts. They're all 14. I sprayed some penetrating oil on it. I'm taking it slow. You don't want to go too fast because, mind, these are exhaust bolts, so they do heat up. And if I guarantee, if you go like too fast, too hard,
Gay.
no homo. Do all those bolts. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on. 4, 5. Looks like 7 bolts. All right. So Marlon and Steve showed up,
Hey guys.
and so I started recording because we had so much stuff like out and some other time. We took the exhaust out. We took off the looks like a mid pipe to the other like cat or muffler right there. What we did, we took those bolts off. We cut the O2 third bank. That was that. And we yanked the exhaust out.
Sponsor me. Sponsor us, please. Please.
Out
Do
the
anything.
exhaust. We started undoing the dry shaft, which are where is it? These 14 mil bolts. They were in like that. Just try to get a ratchet and a wrench, or the 2 wrenches, and just like turn it.
There's always gonna be stress on it.
Usually you gotta take off just 3 because this and that and one on the other side. This one Gotta do it. We took off all just in case because you want to go wrong. After that, I did the shifter linkage. Where is it? I both did the one with the drive shaft because we're taking out both engine and drive shaft. So what's the point of like taking out that? Martin!
Do you have a 10 mil ratcheting wrench?
I gotta find it.
Oh, why do you always lose your 10 mil?
Well, so what we're doing up here with the...
Well, I came a little bit late, so I wasn't able to take off much stuff here. What we were just doing right now, while you were under the car, we were just taking this bolt here off. This is the AC, one of the AC lines. Get shit out. Be a man. No, this isn't. It's not hand tight. I hate bolts like these.
Alright, so that's for the AC, what?
It's an
Condenser?
AC line.
Oh, AC line, alright.
Oh, you hear that song?
And was that it?
I mean, pretty much what we're doing right now, we're just breaking everything off.
Yeah, honestly, with a engine
That
swap.
walk through the valley of the shadow of death.
Copyright.
Okay, yeah, turn it off.
Oh, yeah.
All right. So yeah, we're just taking apart this
AC line.
AC line with engine swaps. Pretty sure all of you know. Slow.
Is that accurate? Yeah, it's accurate.
Hey, I'm getting a ticket.
Hey.
You hear this dude? You hear this guy? We're over here, Lexus gang, getting 2 J's, and he's over here talking about
RB.
RB swapped Integra.
So yeah, with the engine
wow.
swaps, you just want to disconnect everything holding the block and transmission together. Maybe not the transmission. Depends. If you're doing an engine and transmission swap, then yes. If you're just doing an engine swap, leave the transmission alone. Take something off, and you find out why your car was broken.
It wasn't broken, it just,
No AC.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I like your engine bay like this. It's very roomy.
Bro, just leave it empty, bro. There's only
Yeah.
an engine.
Yo, I can't, like my mom's car, I can't work on.
The AC, what?
Yeah, this is the AC line, probably the high side, I think it is. You just
Yeah,
After
this
you
is the high.
unbolt it.
No.
comes off right away. You just push that bitch to the side. Yeah. Anything left now?
See, it's kind of awkward for me to figure out which is low side, which is high side here because they're both the same size. Usually, high side
the
is
thicker one.
isn't it the thinner one because it's high pressure?
Maybe, yeah.
Because I know on Chryslers it is because the low one is fatter.
Yes, ma'am. It's a lot. So this motor mount's already all the way out. It's down over there. That's still on.
Yeah, this one's on here. It's coming off though.
So continue.
Yeah. So now we're taking the motor out. Oh, Steve, come here. Look at this. No, look at his mouth.
Oh, yeah, because I took it off from the top.
You might need a new mount. But
Oh, wait.
The one coming with my anyway.
oh, they come with new mounts.
Yeah.
Well, it's still on the thing.
Okay. I thought you did it for a while. There you go. You
Yeah.
see that?
Yeah, that clink.
Michael Jordan.
You gotta push it up a little more.
Oh, we're doing all this in the name
Yeah,
of
yeah.
Ken Block.
I fucking love you, Ken Block.
Language.
I love you, Ken Block. Just put that part in.
Ken Block sponsors. Your car's a rotary. It has a little Dorito.
Wow. Wow.
You put back
Oh, wait, so is your motor mount?
cheap parts.
Oh my god.
Let me see if I can wiggle a little bit.
So close. You gotta take off this. What is it? The chassis ground you said?
Yeah, this is a chassis ground.
Chassis ground. Yo.
One chassis ground left. There's
Yo. Engine coming out the GS. Yo.
Who the fuck?
Whoa. Just pull it up more.
I told y'all we should have disconnected the trim.
Man, we don't need to do that shit.
It would have been easier. It would have already been out.
The fuck was that?
One
Alright,
of these
Fly
stuck-
Williams.
Hey, can you get in there and like lift the tail shaft up a little bit?
This is.
Hey,
So what was the face you just made of? What he
I
said?
was like,
So it's almost out.
Look, no, just keep pulling it, and then when we get to the point, like right here, I'll just lift it from the back.
Yeah. All right. Here you go.
I mean, it's
Director.
motherfucker.
Dang, I ain't no tire. Fuck.
Huh?
Tire. That's at my brother's house.
Yeah, you do.
A tire?
Yeah, to jump the motor on.
Ooh. Ooh. Say it. Oof. I zoomed in when you did that.
All right. Yeah, let's get her out.
Let's get this. Oh my god, almost fell. That's everything. Everything
Power
fluid.
Steering, radiator fluid.
Espera. Oh, never mind. You good. You good. You good. Oh my god. Oh my
Oh, I
god.
think everything else is there.
Yeah.
Steve, can you lift the tail end?
Hey, do you have the strength to like pull this?
What?
Here, no, you pull. I'll lift her from here. Okay, stand. Okay, no, that's heavy. That's about
We
heavy.
need you, Ox.
Huh?
Oxtail. Artavius' nickname supposedly is Oxtail. It's because he's so strong
Yeah.
and big.
No, yo, you know what Gene was saying?
Okay, come on, Oxtail. We got this.
We believe in you. I could pull this. As long as you. Yeah, I can pull as long as someone could hold the tranny up. Cause yeah, we haven't lifted as much as we can.
This should be like the thumbnail right here. Actually, no, wait. The thumbnail should be you sitting in the car and the motor like halfway out. Right there. Boom. Thumbnail.
Done. Get her done. Yeah, wait, where's the tripod?
Oh, yeah, you have it on your hood. On your thing.
Is it broken or?
I put it in inside
Is it broken or does it work?
Oh my god, it's so hot in there.
Oh.
I can't even breathe in that car.
Oh.
Okay. Tripod. Okay, so the rest of this.
Huh?
Is it recording?
Yeah.
So the rest of this part, we put the tripod on a tree branch. So it's gonna be a little bit shaky.
Yeah.
That lens looks a little dirty.
Sorry, guys. You should get a good view of this. We're not sure if we're gonna do a time lapse or not, but enjoy. Grab your coffee, your chips, popcorn, soda, drink. I don't know. Relax. Enjoy. Ready?
Bow. Here we are. JDM 305.
That loader right there is going right here.
This fat tire. I got my dog Devin.
That tire totally fits in my mom's car. It totally fits in my mom's car.
You guys want to put it in this tire?
Can
Can I put?
Here, your baby.
Yeah.
Give it a kiss.
Give it a kiss.
Give it a fucking
Give it
kiss.
a kiss. There you go.
I want to see lip contact. I want to see. Let me see lip contact. Oh wow. Around coronavirus.
Does it come with that, with the engine hook? Does the engine come with the engine hook? Oh, perfect. You use that to be.
For sure. Yo, we were tripping out about that because we had to take out the whole exhaust and then we had to like figure out where to grip it and then
So we put it on both.
we just like wrapped it.
I didn't think it was. Hey.
Chelad. Every time I point at the camera, you're like,
2 hooks, yo.
That's two flipping hooks.
Mine had one. Boy, it didn't have none. Yo. Thank you.
One
Nice
little
look.
snail.
Hey.
Two little snails.
put this with the.
And these snails go. There you go.
Come on.
Please, cause.
I was doing the same.